Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll show you guys 3 types of eyeliner. The first one, we'll use Lakme eyeliner. The second one, I let the previous one on and continue the second look. I will apply below my wings. Third look, I will make a small fish tail. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you like the look, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss any of the videos. Also, whatever products I've used are in my description box. Go check it out.